US blockade costs Iran $4.8 billion in oil revenue, says report citing Pentagon. The US blockade in the Gulf of Oman and maritime routes has been costing Iran nearly $4.8 billion in oil revenue, according to a report by Axios citing Pentagon. Highlighting the report, Sean Parnell, Assistant to the Secretary of War for Public Affairs, said the US operation is intended to maintain sustained economic pressure on Tehran. The enforcement actions targeting sanctioned Iranian shipping have reduced Iran's energy exports amid heightened tensions near the Strait of Hormuz, a key global oil checkpoint. US officials said the operation aims to continue economic pressure on Iran and disrupt funding for its regional activities. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you everyone. Bye.